Alright guys, I think we got the plan all done now.
I think we do. Making homemade sculptures out of ourselves will be a very interesting building project to make.
This might be as cool as our own clubhouse.
We totally agreed, guys. If we are going to make them, we better get started.
Alrighty, then let's get our goggles from inside and put them on.
Then afterwards, we will set up our tools and get to work.
Good! They are nowhere in sight. What do we have here? Looks like Baby Shark and his friends are gonna build some sculptures out of themselves. Using these tools and these, plant pictures. I think I know what to do. I'm gonna steal all their tools and leave a note saying I did this. So that way they'll never work on those sculptures.
Ha 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 ha.
Now to write the note. Dear Baby Shark and your friends, I was the one that took your toolbox. Now you'll never make those sculptures out of yourselves. So long, losers. From Toad. Now we're going to place it on this table. Now I'm going to grab the toolbox and go home.
At last, we are ready to work on those sculptures. Now let's grab our tools so we can get.
What the? Oh no. Our toolbox is gone.
But how? We just left it on the table, and we just left it for a while so we can get our goggles on.
But now it is gone. Something seems very fishy around here.
There has to be an explanation to this. Who could have done such a thing like this?
As a matter of fact, guys, I know who did this. It was Toad. According to this note, I found it on the table, with his name signed on the bottom. I am going to calling Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil Petey so we can get our toolbox back.
He did what? Thanks for telling us that, Baby Shark. He is so grounded for this, and we will have him give back the toolbox. We will see you later. Goodbye.
Toad, come downstairs right now. You got some explaining to do.
Oh my goodness! What do you guys want from me this time?
We got a call from Baby Shark and his friends saying that you stole their toolbox. And it looks like you really did because we see it in your hands.
That is it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. You will also apologize to the 6 and you will hand the tools back to them as well.
Did I tell you guys that it was the first day of May?
No excuses. Get in Richard's car. We are going to Fort Finship right now.
No.
I am very sorry for stealing your toolbox and I'll promise not to do it again.
Thank you. We hope you learn your lesson from the naughty thing you did today.
Now get back into the car, and when we get home, you will go to your room at once.
Sorry about Toad, guys. We will deal with him now. We will see you guys later.
Alrighty then. Goodbye, guys.
Now let's get to work on our sculptures.